people, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and share it. Okay, so right now I'm starting this vlog off because it's basically almost Christmas. The rush is coming on, and I'm currently in the process of trying to get my stuff that I want to do, like my little home reno and a little stuff to make my home a little bit better than it is for the holiday. Not even only the holiday, but for like the coming season next year, if life's spare and all that. So right now I just entered some the search. I entered wine rack wall mount. I'm trying to find something that is reasonable, something that is cheap. So I located this one right here. It says wine, but then there's this one that's for $24. This one is what, $29.97. This one's for $24.99. I was looking at this one and I think that this one would have been like the cheapest one. Let's see what are the review stars. Oh, it's like a 4.5 star. Not bad, because you do hardly find stuff here on Amazon that's like rated 5 stars. So yeah, the 24 is not bad, right? That's not bad. And what's alright, the size is 17 by how, oh, it's 3 pounds. That's not even bad to clear out here in Jamaica. That's not going to be bad. Let's see what are some like picture reviews. My internet is so low, so I'm not sure if these are gonna even. Okay, good, awesome. Let me see, like looking at it from, okay, this is not bad. This is not bad at all. So let me see what other pictures we got here. No other ones. What we want to do in our kitchen, right, we're trying to make like this bar area. I'm gonna show you guys when I get up soon. Okay, this is not bad. Wow, the person who did decor this though, oh my god, very bad, so big. Okay, but I get the idea. It's not bad. So like we want to do like a bar area in the house. Let me go show you where. People, I'm currently in bed. Like it's about 3 right now and the room is this dark, and I must say the bed is not even made as yet. So yeah, alright, step up in the kitchen. So for right here, we want to have like a counter. I'm just seeing this, like, look here, this is like something that was just plastered, and whoever did the walls did a very bad job with that. Anyways, for right here, we said would have had like a counter that is extended from right here to come up right here, and make it like a bar table or a breakfast eating table, like somewhere you come and have the guests. You don't want them around the dining table, because we're going to take out this one right here and replace it with a newer one. And then we would have purchased 2 bar stools. So where this painting is, this probably would not be here. This would be like going, and then the wine shelf would be here, and then you have whatever, the bar stool and the whatever. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Right, we're trying to do a whole lot of reno for the. Alright, hey guys, so it took me like all day to decide, so I am coming to Hochi, right? Anyways, I finally reached, but it's like after 5. And as I say, the whole day I'm in my yard. Could have decided if I want to come out here or not. Anyways, I come back on Maxie because hear me a blow, man. Because I want to get a few stuff for home. So alright, now feature me. I'll just feature all of me I get. Alright. One of these are the real fur. One of these are the dead fur, easily dead fur. I need 2 white cushions, but I'm wondering if these are the ones that they are going to die easily. And these are like $1,500 a piece. Okay, maybe not want that one. How much a piece for these? Alright, this is 3,600 for one of this. Okay. In terms of cushion, we've come the wrong place. In terms of cushion. Alright. The mats, okay. Them even expensive because, oh my god, hold on. Alright. This. I'm looking. I can have an idea what I want, but I'm looking still. Yeah, I'm good. Question though, could you just the prices? How much is this one right here?
3,000.
That one is 3, and it's what, 2,000 something, right?
More likely, yes, 2,800.
Okay.
And the bigger one is 3,002.
3,200 for that one?
3,002, 3,028.
Okay, that makes sense. I get this one. Alright. But, alright. So let me see the option of the flowers. Alright, so she said this one right here for 3,200. This one for 3,700, and then this one is way bigger than that one. So it wouldn't make any sense. I didn't even think about getting the one for 3. That's put $200 on it. But how much is the price for this one, right? Because this one would like match with the ottoman, which is brown, to 3,200, and with the white fur. Right. I am gonna get that one right there. Alright, I'm gonna get the 3,200, but I'm looking for flowers to go with it. Okay. Flowers. They have these. This one. I won't know about the white. To be honest, how much is that flowers?
6,900.
No. Too much. That's too much. Okay, thank you. Alright. How much for these one right here? I know they're small, yeah, but
3,900.
alright, if that's 3,900 and you guys sell the single one for 900, shouldn't I probably try to do my own thing?
You can do that.
Okay.
Once you have a pot.
Yeah. Alright, guys, these are these are what, 2,900? I think these up there are the $6,000 something one. I'm not spending $6,000 for one of those. Are you crazy? Alright, hold on. Let's look at the other ones. Hold on. These are the awesome stuff that they have that I want. Like, honestly, guys. Alright. I want one of these to go beside the ottoman. I don't remember what the price is on these. The price on this is $5,500. Alright, let me go try if I can work my own idea over here. My own magic. I'm going to try one of the smaller ones for 2,000 something. This is for, oh shit, it's for 3,900 for this one. I'm not on the floor in the $2,000 region. This is too small. This lost. Oh shit, this lost. It's absolutely lost in this. Oh shit. It's lost in it. Hold on, people. Okay, so this one right here, it has the flowers inside of it. This is not bad, you know. This one is not bad, but this basket right here is 3,000. This one is 3,200, and look at the difference. So it would make sense I get the bigger basket instead of this, because it's like $200. Like, you understand me? This one is what, 2,800, but it's too small. So this probably, I would probably work with this, right? Not bad. Oh no. like, you don't want to spend cost effective, meaning that, okay, this right here is way bigger. And though, oh my god, man. How much is it? 3.9. That's like a whole. This 3.9. This right here is 6,900. I want to feature some other stuff that they have here. They have like these nice waves. Something like this is really nice. So it's like a big candle holder, and you have like the recreation, you know. So I get probably like 2 of these to put in the vase on the dresser, not the dresser, on the center table. But they're like $900 a piece. This one? It's like $900 a piece. Do I want to do that? I'm not sure what it is. Come on. The pretty flowers that I was telling you guys about, these are like $900 a piece. I think I will get something like this for the center table to add it to it. Right? And these stuff are nice as well. These stuff could be put on your dining table as a decor thing or whatever. Alright. Should I get these flowers though? I'll probably get 2. Hold on, and they have a whole bunch of candle options as well. Their scents aren't too bad. Not bad at all. Oh, so I'm getting this. I'm getting this to match with it. Is this mine? When the gold one, that looks so much better than. But they don't have the bottom part of the gold on it. It's so nice if I get a gold one. I mean, oh shit. For people, I'm looking like a men pants. This seems like to be ladies' side. For the men, what do they have for the men? Babe actually needs a pants for the Vlogmas intro to go with his top. Alright, them have these, but they make it. How much is this? This is $3,400. Oh, and cheap pants. Something not too much, really, because something with too much, but something will not cost too much. These are $3,400. What if they sell PJs inside here? What are these for the men? The umbrella. My umbrella? Oh God, Nelly. Thank you. I would be so crazy if I go and the rain start fall. You guys sell pajama?
Full.
Like men or women, but I'm kind of looking basically something to go in Christmas.
Oh, okay, and the Christmas field.
Yeah.
I just use her for female right now.
Nah, definitely not. Okay, I was looking at these pants, but how much a piece for these pants? No price, my camera. And night I will come down. I'm gonna want to catch me. I have to run to the supermarket. Alright, people, this is me. I came on the road full black in brown belt and guess bag. My head won't comb out, but I don't care right now. I'm gonna cash out and leave. Okay, my bill is like $8 but it's fine. Currently on the road where the bank is, Tashoya, you have your phone out. I think about like, how did somebody just come and grab your phone here? And but I'm not really scared of watching that much, but there's a song playing, so I can't really record, so I gotta cut it out. While I was walking, I was simply saying that this man, I was passing this man, and he basically like said Christmas is important. And did you know that some of these stuff we do, they allow us to feel as if a lot of things aren't important, and especially in a time like this, I think people should appreciate things like this, like Christmas, because most of us aren't able to like travel and do stuff, and I mean this is the time to spend with your family and stuff for it. So somebody just like cutting the energy off it kind of kill the vibe and all of that. So I don't think people should like think like that, but it's whatever. People may brave about me in the bank line. People look for me. I'm American. Who cares? I'm gonna do a deposit and go to the supermarket. So you guys will see something coming from over there. Yep.
Your temperature is normal. Your temperature is normal. Your temperature is normal.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Pizza crust, but it's not here. Pizza crust. You don't want to do pizza crust. Oh no, it's not here. It's not here. Oh, pizza crust. Yes, it's right here for $2.75. So we're gonna get one of this. We need a large pizza and we need cheese and pineapple.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave.
So people inside the supermarket is like a mad rush. Is a mad rush inside here. I really probably be overspending over here based on the budget that I came here today. I didn't want to purchase a whole lot of stuff because we're coming back next weekend. It's been a while since we came grocery shopping, but the lines inside here are crazy. But whatever. I'm trying to look to see if I see a shorter line. Slow, brother. Them a move slow bad inside there. When I get out, you guys will know. Or when we reach home or something. Guys, I can't believe this was just last year. Fontana had this decor up. I can't believe it's like a year past. And this is up already again. People, time to move really fast, honestly. Listen, time now. We upon me. You nobody. I can't believe it. It's 1 year already. Since this was up, it come down and it gone back up again. Yep. Listen, time not waiting on nobody. I'm walking to the taxi stand now though. Yeah. Home and babe is making pizza. He's gonna put the cheese on top now. Yo, I'll show you when the cheese go on. I will show you after it gets out of the oven. We added the cheese and that's basically it. So he's gonna pop this in the oven, and when it's out, people, you'll see the finished touch. We always make pizza, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out good. Yeah, the only thing might go wrong is the cheese. This is a different cheese we're trying, but let's see. We're gonna pop this in and then you'll see it right after this. Alright guys, this is the finished pizza already, all done, ready to be consumed. So they've started to cook it already, so we use a knife to cut it, but just want to show you that the pizza is out and ready. It has pineapple, bacon, sausage, and the regular beef and the cheese. So yeah, basically our Hawaiian pizza, right? With sausage and bacon, yeah. So okay guys, I am back home and I'm gonna give you guys like a little all on what I got in Maxie. So you basically had an idea of what I got already. I'm just gonna basically confirm with you guys on what I got. So just a few stuff for our house update. I'm not going to show you guys how I decorate it. I'm just going to show you what I got. I mean, stay tuned for the little tours that will entail how I fix the stuff inside the house. So yeah, but this is taking so long to pull the bag. Oh my god. Okay guys, alright, so let's go first. So the first thing is this is the vase. So the vase, I know you guys saw the picture, but the vase does not come in the floor with the vase does not come in the whatever, the what do you call it, the basket. You have to purchase them separately. So and I kind of switched and got the smaller one because the price for the other one and it only had like extra flowers in it, never worth it. So I kind of switched and got this one. So this one is like we call it bottom here. We call it, this is not gold, but based on this is our color. I don't know gold is what we call it, bronze. Yeah, like bronze, and it has the leaf that you can open the leaf wider to how it, and it has like the flowers, one flower. The other one had like another flowers coming up. But the lady was saying to me that if I want to make it like get more flowers in it, I could just like stick a flowers in it. And I got these, but I'm not gonna stick these in it because I did not purchase these to go in it. But if I don't like how it looks, then I could probably change it up and do that, right? Which like this on here, so yeah, anyways, I was just trying different lights right here. No, and then I got these are like the flowers, the separate ones to like put in the vase. So I have a vase with like 2 other styles. I said I'm gonna try these in it to see how it works out. Probably the 2 is gonna probably have a lost looking vibe, but I have 3 flowers in that vase already. So I'm just gonna add these to it to see how it works. If not, I probably have to get 2 more because I saw like an example of how it looks in the store and it was looking good. That's how I came to the point of purchasing these. And then I got the basket. So I'm wondering if do I leave the plastic in it or something, but I got this basket and this is the second biggest one. The other one was bigger and it had like just like a 200 extra, the bigger one. But then getting this smaller flowers would last in it, like would literally look last, because this one kind of already look last in it. But I'm gonna decorate it and whatever. So that's basically what I got for from Maxie's today, from Maxie. I think it's Maxie department store. Yeah, Maxie department store. So anyways people, this is where I'm going to end out this vlog. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Oh, before I even go telling you all of that, I have a brother who is a YouTuber. Most of you have probably seen him before, and I promote his stuff already, but I'm asking you guys just to go ahead and show him some support. He do vlogs, challenges, and other videos, and his content is good. Please go and check out, I think it's Jelani Pro TV or something like that. His name will be on the screen and his channel link will be down in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check him out. please go ahead and subscribe to his channel, and just leave a comment down in his previous video say Dominique sent you, or Tash, or you're coming from the channel Life of Dominique Awesomeness. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share this video, onto another video or vlog. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Or did you say bye?